Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the right tools and a ready loaf. Begin now. Hold the lame like a pen, steady your wrist, and approach at a 30 to 45-degree angle so the blade glances, not stabs. Make a shallow practice slash on flour to feel the motion. Once done, place the lame at the starting point of your intended pattern and commit to a single confident pull. Hesitate, and the cut will drag. This first move sets the bloom and expansion during baking. Now execute the core scoring sequence. Use one fluid motion per slash. Quick and decisive cuts open the oven spring cleanly. Aim for roughly 1/4 to 1/2 inch depth for most doughs. Stronger dough allows deeper slashes. If you want a pattern, visualize the sequence and maintain even spacing, then rotate the loaf instead of twisting your wrist, which preserves blade angle. Make sure to keep the blade freshly exposed between cuts so each line stays crisp and doesn't drag or tear the. Complete the process by moving the scored loaf into a hot, steamy oven to encourage maximum oven spring. Steam for the first 10 to 15 minutes, then vent to let the crust set. Bake until the interior reaches about 200 to 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Once done, cool on a rack at least 1 hour. If your scores seal or the loaf tears, troubleshoot proofing. Underproofed dough needs faster, firmer scoring. Overproofed dough benefits from slightly degassing and a shallower cut next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.